Hey guys, hope that wasn't creepy. Welcome back everyone, welcome back. So I did a fun makeup swap with one of my fabulous friends on YouTube, Kathy Beauty Care Chats. I sent her something and she sent me something. So I was so excited to receive this and I'm going to do a makeup look with it. It is the Juvia's Place, is that how you say it? The Masquerade Mini by Juvia. I have my eye on like 5 different palettes on their website right now and I haven't tried out any of these shadows. Everyone seems to say great things about it. So I'm so excited. Thank you, Kathy. I guess one person's trash is another person's treasure because I'm so excited to try this out. Look at these colors. You know, hopefully it works out for me. And I personally think all these fun colors are so fun. I don't know what look I'm gonna do yet, but I definitely want to try to use one of these for a pop of color on my lid. So we'll see where this look takes us. Hopefully it's pigmented, but so pretty. I'm just gonna try to get a little out of my comfort zone and use some colors that I typically don't use. I definitely like that green. That purple's fun. And I do love me some blue. So we'll see. I really don't know what I'm gonna do yet, guys. This is just gonna be a fun surprise. So let's get started. You know I'm gonna prime my eyes. I got the NYX primer. It's just an Old Faithful for me. Let's see, I'm gonna start with browns, of course, just to carve out my eye. I just find that it makes the looks, and when I use color, it just helps it blend better and look a little more smoky. So we're going to just start applying this on the outer lid. I'm creating a horizontal V shape as well, rather than rounding it. I like having that point and then I'm blending it into my crease. Some is getting on my eyelid a lot, but that's okay. And then I like to blend whatever's left under my lower lash line. Very pretty. This is the color Burkina, but I found that to be very pigmented. It blended out very fast. Just a good old chocolatey brown color. Then I'm gonna go in with Zulu. It's more terracotta brown shade. Just gonna warm it up, smoke it up some. Oh, and I'm using a Morphe M433 brush. You can see it's just a little fluffy, dome shaped. Now I'm gonna go in with Zobo. We're gonna try some color, folks. I think this will be kind of fun. And I'm going to apply this on top of the brown. Ooh, that's pretty. These shadows are very pretty. Again, I'm trying to point this out. What a fun purple color. Is that purple? Yeah, that's purple. It's really pretty when mixed, when blended in with the brown. Look at that, look at that. Mama like. Okay, what do we want to do now? I don't know. I kind of like that green. I'm really liking this green color. Molly, that's pretty too. Makeda. Well, I'll start with Molly, this green shade, and apply it in the center, or in my inner eye. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Look. So pigmented. So I'm starting this in the very inner part of my eye and then blending it towards the center. That's so pretty. I'm applying a little of this to my lower lash line too. I feel like this is a fun little Mardi Gras look too. Okay, and then I do want to go in with Dahlia. I'm just using the same brush, picking some of that blue up. And oh, that looks so pigmented. And I have a little of the NYX base on my brush. This is the same brush I used for that. So I don't know if that's helping make this so pigmented. So maybe you could dip your brush in a little concealer and it's helping it be really pigmented. But I'm starting this in the center part of my eye and then blending it out. Blending it out a little. Trying to go a little over the green so it just blends a little more naturally. How fun. Now I'm going in with this original brush and just softening the edges so it looks a little more ombre and not so messy. You know, how fun is this? Now, we are done with the shadows. That definitely exceeded my expectations. Now I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs Follow This Blue theme, and this is Blew Me Away. I'm gonna apply this to my lower waterline. Now I'm gonna apply a little eyeliner to the top and wing it out just a little. And I just feel a little naked without my liquid eyeliner, personally. Okay, I think those are even. Beautiful, beautiful. Look how fun this is, guys. Are you seeing this? I understand none of you are probably going to recreate this or wear this ever, but it is a fun look nonetheless. Now we're applying mascara. I might apply some false lashes just to dramatize it. Is that a word? Just to make it even more dramatic. Oh, I thought I had my favorite lashes. I have these, the House of Lashes Iconic. I really don't like these lashes. That's all I have down here though. So, I guess I'll apply these. Alrighty, I got the lashes on. These definitely are not my first choice just because they're so big and heavy. I feel like they just weigh down my eyes. They are pretty, but I just can never get them on right. The band is so stiff, it isn't very flexible, and I just don't really like the big lashes. Alrighty, so I guess this completes my makeup look. Very easy, right? What do you guys think? I think this is so fun and festive. I don't know what it's festive for. I guess Mardi Gras, which is long overdone. Long overdone. It's very pretty. I think there's a lot you can do with this palette. I mean, if you don't like the colors, you could even just use these under your lower waterline and that'd be really pretty to smudge out under your lower lash line. I love this like bottom half. Those are so freaking pretty. But I personally love color and I'm trying to like venture into color more. So they're very pigmented. They're very beautiful. There's a lot you can do with this. So yes, this is the Masquerade palette. And I'm forever grateful for it. I think I can do a lot of fun looks. I think I can have a lot of fun with that palette. So I just wanted to do something fun with the greens and the blues and the pinks. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you another day. Mwah. Bye.